Greeting from Anonymous. Burma really needs true leading. That we want to inform you about the National Unity Government of Myanmar NUG. Now we won't hope that NUG can control their revolution anymore, because their ability is too much limited. Just we saw only they can do shouting out loud to get international's help for Burma. We already know the UN never hands out for Burma. What we can do is for each and every hero who gave their lives to what they named is Spring Revolution. We have to show the evidence that a really reliable government with the right capacity and power is the next generation who will come next instead of the NUG leaders. If not, Burma will be alpha cursed. That's why we decided to involve. That's an operation we called Hammurabi Operation by Anon Global Direct. Now we gave NUG Myanmar the next 6 months extended time. Meanwhile, we are watching their data server as the priority. If they aren't showing their transparency to public, we will announce official videos about the warning to the National Unity Government of Myanmar. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We shall never forget.